Hello everybody! In this video I will show you how to create colorful dripping paint shirt. And this design is so easy, everybody can paint it, and the process is so fun because we will paint with hands. Also this design can be painted on the white t-shirt like this one, or on the sweatshirt. It will look amazing on every kind of clothing. So let's begin. I paint on the mannequin, it's more easy for me, but you can paint on table, just don't forget to put the cardboard inside of your clothing. I use big flat brush for painting, and first I paint with blue and light blue color. Also I add purple color. Red color. Yellow. Green. And dark green. Now I'll create the dripping paint effect. I decided to paint the space under the color because I think design will look more beautiful this way. I splatter the paint. Now is the most fun part. I will paint with my fingers to make the drips look more beautiful. I paint the back side the same way. and the painting is finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Also don't forget to press the like button. Check out my other DIY videos, and if you have any questions about painting or clothing, write to me. See you, bye bye.